This is a 2024 Toyota Rav4 plug-in hybrid. We want to have the engine run continuously. That's in engine maintenance mode. So we can do cooling, bleeding, and diagnostics and stuff like that. So we're gonna, with the key off, we're gonna go ahead, not push the brake pedal. We're gonna push the power button twice. 1, 2. Screen is on. Everything's good. We're gonna push the gas pedal twice. 1, 2. Push the brake, put it in neutral. And then we're gonna go 1, 2 on the gas pedal again. Push the brake, put it in park. 1, 2. And then you're gonna look at the screen over here. It's gonna say CDY 2E. Then we're gonna go ahead and push the brake and press power. And that will start the engine, and it's in maintenance mode. And in order to shut this off, all you have to do is just push the key or the ignition switch and it'll turn off, and start it up again and it'll go back to normal. All right, thanks for watching. Leave a comment below if this helped you out, and give me a thumbs up. Help the algorithm so other people can find this video and help them out with bleeding a cooling system or doing diagnostics. Thank you. And by the way, this also works on other Toyota hybrids, pretty much all of them actually. Same situation.